Uh, yeah.
Yourselves, be cool, act cool. You sent me pictures of your studio, and it's so awesome. Is it working?
Yeah, we spend most of our time in here.
So you are able to be productive.
Hopefully, we're testing it out. It's one thing to say that you're being productive, and it's another to say that you're producing the same quality. So there are certain things that we're going to have to just try to work around.
An example, like what's something that...
We don't have a workbench that's solid enough. Like Cooper's bending ribs right now on a bending iron, which you have to clamp to a workbench.
If I push it up against a hard surface like a wall, it won't really move. So I can just work on it from there.
Yeah. On the floor against the wall.
Yeah.
Man, do what you got to do, right?
Yeah.
Just like Strad used to do it.
Yeah. Put his knee pads on and just got down. What about your sort of your schedule? Are you both getting up and sort of going at it the same as you would in class?
No. It's been a lot looser. You kind of have to take advantage of the time that we're being awarded here to make sure you're staying healthy and let your body go through naturally what it wants to do. And we still try to maintain a general schedule of up by 9 and like start working and have breakfast and that kind of thing. And just like loosely remain productive throughout the day. I find that lately I've been working off and on, but for a longer stretch of time than I would at school, where it's more concentrated and you're there to work and really get stuff done. It's been nice being able to do this together because we can also pool resources, and like we can bring home one version of a tool and both use it.
If you could think of one thing that you're missing the most just being in the building.
You miss the camaraderie of being together and making stuff in like a facility that's built for the specific purpose that you're there for.
Is there any sort of tool in particular that you find yourself using more at home than you were at your bench?
The Dutch oven.
Yeah. What about music? Are you guys battling over, what is being played?
We actually agree on a lot of musical genres.
That's
especially so this past semester I've kind of taken it upon myself during class time to pick ambient music for the classroom that everyone can agree upon and people can still get work done.
That is challenging.
So there's lots of classical music. I found that like excerpts from video games work really well because the music is actually written and designed to be in the background. So if you think of it that way, or like movie scores works really well.
And especially video games, they're designed to be ambient, but to keep you going and keep you playing the game. So
like this.
There's something really motivating behind video game music that is difficult to find in other genres.
I'll let you guys go. Get back to work.
All right.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, it was nice talking.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'll talk to you again.
All right.
See you later.